SmartSpark presents What is AI? Discovering the Heart of Artificial Intelligence. Welcome to SmartSpark. If you've ever wondered what is artificial intelligence really, then you're in the right place. Today, we're kicking off our AI Foundation series with a look at what artificial intelligence, or AI, is at its core. In this series, you'll learn the basics of AI, from understanding how AI models learn to what makes machine learning different from AI, and how all these powerful concepts come together to solve real-world problems. So what is AI? In short, artificial intelligence refers to machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, like understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and even creating art. It's all about building systems that can analyze data, learn from it, and make predictions or decisions based on that learning. AI is all around us, from your smartphone's voice assistant to the recommendation engines on streaming platforms. But AI isn't just one thing, it's a collection of technologies and methods that make machines more intelligent. AI can range from basic programmed automation to complex models that can learn on their own over time. Throughout this playlist, we'll answer questions like, what's the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning? How do machines learn? What are neural networks, and why are they so important in AI? And where is AI heading in the future? By the end, you'll have a solid foundation in AI, understanding the key concepts and how these models work behind the scenes to make our lives easier. Imagine a world where AI is your personal assistant, a skilled doctor, or a creative partner. With AI advancing so quickly, that world isn't far off. So if you're excited to learn, make sure to subscribe and join us on this journey into the heart of artificial intelligence. Hit that bell to be notified whenever we release a new video in the AI Foundation series. Let's spark some curiosity together. Make the background music energetic, interesting.